DFDM National is a family-founded business that started in 2014 out of Clearwater, Florida. And it was started out of our shop. I was working on cars and noticed pretty frequently the license plates on the back of most people's cars were really ugly dealer frames, or they had a lot of problems with it. And so in that field, I know what works and what doesn't. I introduced our SAA 304 polished stainless steel products as a way to give you a premium product that will last longer than your vehicle will. And that really took off. Customers really liked it. And we found out from some customers their plates were actually being stolen, which was something I never even thought of. So we tried a lot of anti-theft options available on the market and found out that they were all able to be removed pretty much with a flathead at our shop. So we actually created a way to make the entire system anti-theft by providing stainless steel encapsulations for the screws. So once you put it on, it's semi-permanent. And so we give you two options. You can have the anti-theft option, which makes it very hard to remove, or you can have the standard style, which has a similar look and appeal and is still stainless, but it's easier to take off. And so customer demand kind of drove us to releasing other colors. We use performance automotive powder coating processes and clear coats, and we released our pretty and pink color and our glossy black. We have the undercover matte, and we also have our luxurious carbon fiber license plate frame that we released. I'm a fan of all of those. They all come in 2 or 4 variations. They also come in standard or anti-theft as well. Some customers actually asked us for a way to protect their license plate itself, not just with a frame, but a shield. So we created our rugged, shatterproof acrylic shield that's now available for purchase. It's a 2-pack, comes with stainless steel hardware and clear ABS covers. So just like our frames, every one of the products offered by DFDM National comes with our unconditional lifetime warranty and our 100% satisfaction guarantee. What I mean by that is we stand behind our product for life. If you ever have a problem, we guarantee to replace it. If you purchase our product and you're not happy with it, we guarantee we're going to pay you back your money for the product. So give our product a buy, put it on your vehicle, send us an email, write us a review. We can't wait to hear how happy you are with it, just like we are. Thank you.